Yeah, hi. Can you hear me now? Audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So, see, today it is just one small demo lecture. Okay. I think your father
Yes,
called me yesterday regarding that German language inquiry, and he told that you are interested to go there for higher education, right?
yes, sir.
So, see, for that,
Yes, sir.
before we start our topic, I'll just tell you something about German and why it is very important when someone is planning to do his masters or bachelors from Germany. Okay,
Yeah.
right?
Sir,
Language
can
and
you wait a minute? I'll wear my earphones.
yeah, sure, sure. Put your earphones. I am sharing my screen also. I hope you will be able to see that. Just give me a second.
Yes, sir, ready.
Yeah, 1 second. So can you see my screen? I have shared my screen.
Yes,
Visible?
sir.
Visible? Okay, good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So see, today's lecture we have kept just for a basic demo of the language, right? I'll be telling you some pronunciation rules and all that. Okay. All that we'll see. But before we start all that thing, I just want to put some light on the importance of this, keeping in mind your requirement. Okay. So see,
Mm.
like I'll just tell you about ourselves. Our company name is Namaste German. So we are operating from Jaipur in India. Okay, and my 90% enrollments are from Germany only. So from Germany, mainly we have the people who are working there as well as the students who have already gone there or who are planning to go there for their higher education or for jobs or whatever. Okay, so
Mm.
many times
Yes,
what
sir.
happens is that the person who is planning to go there for bachelor's or master's, he is not clear with the requirement that till what level of language you should learn. Okay,
Mm.
when you will
Yes, sir.
go to a counselor, see, there are basically two types of courses. One course which is there in Germany, I'll just tell you in brief, right? Remaining things in detail, when you will go to the counselor, he will guide you better. You will go from Dubai or
Mm.
from India, wherever. Okay, the counselor will tell you as per your field what college you are eligible to get, what field you are eligible to get
Mm.
as per your marks. So all that thing is for discussion there only. But here I'll tell you, many times what happens is that the counselors don't tell us this thing in detail in regards to German language. Okay, there are many reasons.
Mm.
Okay, because the counselor's work is just to get you admitted in a college, just that your admission should be there, and he's not concerned with German and all that language. And also, many times they don't clear this thing that what is required when you actually go there and when you actually start working up there. So as I was telling
Yes,
you,
sir.
there are basically two types of courses taught. One is the German taught program, and second is the English taught program, right?
Yeah.
In the
Yeah.
universities. Okay, in brief, very in very much brief.
Private and public
Yeah,
universities.
yeah, yeah. All that you can do, Google on the internet and all, you will get, you'll
Mm.
come to know. So both are good. It's not that only public are good, even the private are good.
Mm.
So that's not a worry. Germany, most of the colleges and universities, all of them are very good. So no need to. It's not like in India or any UK and New Zealand. Not like that. Okay, the quality of education is very good, but yeah, obviously the tuition fees factor is there, the money factor is there. Some are the tuition fee is free, and in some it is not free. All that things are there that you can do
Yes, sir.
Google, and as per your field you can check it out. But I am telling you, beyond that means, once you have done your education, just suppose that, see, if you get German taught program, obviously you have to go till the advanced level of language, till B2C1 you have to learn,
Mm.
because your books, your curriculum will be in German. And as soon as you take the admission there, the university within 1 or 2 months, they will be asking you to submit the advanced level C1 certificate. If you don't submit that, you will be
Mm.
returned back to India or to your native country. Okay, so you will be denied the admission if you
Okay.
don't submit that certificate within the required amount of time which they give you. Second case, if we
Mm.
consider that, okay, you go in an English taught program, just suppose this thing, right?
Mm.
If you go in English
Yes,
taught,
sir.
sorry, what?
No, no, I will listen.
Okay, I'm saying if you go in an English taught program, in that case, German will not be a major requirement in the beginning. Okay, you will be
Okay.
getting the admission
Mm.
easily. Even if you do just basic level, A1 A2 level, you will get the admission. That is not a worry. Okay, so it is not
Mm.
mandatory to learn till the B1 B2 level in the beginning. But see, I'm telling you, beyond that, as per my experience, what I have seen, there are many times people who study from the English taught program, They are done with their education, they are done with their internship, they start applying for the jobs and all, right? At that time I have seen in
They won't,
some
yeah.
people, in some cases I have seen this problem that if the person does not know the language, he is not eligible to get a good job easily there.
In Germany.
Okay.
In Germany, yeah.
Yeah,
If you want
obviously.
to go to India or back to your country, then
Then that's a different thing, then that's a different thing. But see, I'll suggest you one thing: when you are going for higher education there, okay, you should
Then
not return
you
back to
should
your,
stay. You
at
should
least,
stay there.
at least for some time, at least for some time. Okay, otherwise then what you will learn? You just took the degree and you came back, right? What is the purpose to go there, right? Neither it will help you in your career. Okay, no Indian company is going to entertain you that much, which a German company. And secondly, see, you will not get that kind of work culture in India or in Dubai, right? Okay, you are in Dubai right now, you can check, you know, the countries, the kind of jobs which you will get in Switzerland or Austria or Germany. Obviously not even that worth will not be there in India or Saudi Arabia. Got it? So when you are planning to go there for education, at least for some time you should work there to have experience. Okay, I don't know what is your exact requirement, right? What is your family's requirement? That's a different thing, but that is my personal advice, that once you are going to study there, then at least for some time, at least for 1, 2 or 3 years, you should work there so that you can have that understanding how the system works actually, and then you can switch to any other country as per your requirement. But that is very rare.
Yeah.
Okay, the kind of facilities and job security which you will get there, that is usually not there in India or in any other country. If you can compare, even you can compare with UK or US, right? You have seen yesterday's news, you know, America has cancelled all that H1B visa and all for coming for some months. These kind of problems, they don't happen in Germany. Even the getting a PR is much easy in Germany as compared to UK, right? Many things are there.
Only 2 years, only 5 years
Yes,
after coming.
that is also
back
there,
to
and the
US.
bank balance and the money requirement is also less strict as compared to UK. Okay, if you compare with UK, US, the balance which you need to have in your account and all that thing, that is like that is very harsh. You know, it is not possible for everyone. But in Germany, it is little bit easy, relaxed, little bit relaxed for non-native person in Germany. So all these kind of factors are there. So now come back to this language point. So see, what I am saying is that, you know, when you are learning a language, you don't have to just learn by seeing the requirement of the college. Obviously that is the first requirement, right? But I am talking beyond that.
Yeah.
Because it should not happen that, you know, you get the degree, you get the internship, everything you are doing, and then suddenly after 2, 3 years you realize that okay, you don't know German, and then you are hunting for the courses there, right? Because see, what I want is that when you go there, when you
Yeah, I
study
need
there,
to learn like I learned Hindi or like I speak Hindi like that.
yes, learn it like in that way,
Yeah.
at least 90% of that. Okay, so that when you study there and when you work there, you are totally free from that. You know, otherwise why would it happen that, you know, people who are of 30, 35, 40 years or 45 years of age, you are very young right now, right? You are not even like 18, 19 or 20 years, so you have enough time to learn. I have seen people who are already like 35, 40, 45 years of age, and then now they are learning the language. Okay, so you should not fall in that category. You know, like if you are going there, you should be totally free from this headache before even you land up there. You should be free from this headache. At least B1, B2 level you should be having with you, and later if the requirement is there, B2 or C1, that you can see later. C1, C2 you can do later.
Mine is
if
C1.
required.
Mine is C1 for engineering.
Yeah. For your, if it is German taught, then obviously you have to go with that C1, right? So that's a very long journey. You have to study, and properly for a longer duration you have to study. Now come to the language. So see, now the things which I'll tell you, you told me C1. So let's discuss about that. What is C1? See, in a European languages, we have this categorization of levels: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, so on. Okay, till C2 it is there. So C1 is basically required by students who are going in a German taught program, and secondly by medical people, by doctors, right? Otherwise, for normal people, for normal jobs and all, you will see that B1, B2 is there, and for the English taught program, if you do A2 or B1, that is like really more than sufficient. More than that is not required. Okay. Now, if you ask me how much time it will take to reach C1, or let's say we'll target B2 first and then C1. Okay. So see, in this it takes easily 7 to 8 months. Easily it will take. Keeping in mind we keep 2 to 3 lectures in a week, right? Our courses are going to be completely one-to-one. One-to-one means that only you will be there. Okay, no other student will be there. It's a totally private training. So the biggest advantage is it is totally flexible, right? It is totally flexible. Flexible means that the day you are not available, we will postpone or prepone the class, and if you are available for a little bit more time, we will try to keep multiple sessions, keeping in mind your and my availability both, right? In that way,
Okay.
we will go ahead with the course. So it is totally flexible. You are not going to miss any class. But few things you have to take care. If you want to learn the language really fluently, if you want to learn, few things you have to take care. See, one thing I'll tell you, only lecture is never sufficient. Okay, if I
You
keep
have
the
to
lecture,
practice.
if I take the lecture, and if at home you're not studying, if you're not doing my homework, if you're not learning the words, if you're not revising the sentences, if you're not framing the sentences, if you're not doing the assignment, then the course will not be successful. That is a simple, very clear logic wherever you learn, whether you learn from me or anywhere else. Okay, you know, if the
Yes,
trainer,
absolutely,
yeah, if
absolutely.
the trainer is not good, if the trainer does not know how to teach, then that is not your mistake, right? Then that's your unluck, right? If you are at wrong place, that is your unluck. But if you,
That is never,
yeah,
that is not
yeah,
always, like,
yeah, yeah,
most of the time, that is not most of the time.
yeah, most of the time that
As
does
a
not happen,
student,
right? Yes, yes. So most of the time, I'll tell
yeah.
you why people fail to learn a language successfully, even after paying the money, even after learning the even after taking the lectures timely, they fail because they're not putting time at the home. Okay, right? So I
Yes,
have many people who are learning right now. You know, all of them are taking live one-to-one classes. They are all very sincere. They are taking it regularly, time to time. They're not missing. But the problem which I'm seeing is that out of them, some of them are not devoting time at home, right? So that thing comes out in the lecture, right? If I take 2 3 lectures, if you don't do the homework, you will yourself start facing problem in the class, right? You will not be able to speak, you
yes, sir.
will half of the words you will forget, so you know that will pull down your confidence. So make sure that you are taking the homework part double seriously as compared to taking a lecture, right? Any day, if you are
Yes, sir.
not able to devote time on homework, you have some personal work, you have some wedding to attend, you have some function to attend, that's not a worry. I told you it's totally flexible, right? So you don't have to kill your life to learn a language, right? You have to learn it in a very cool manner. Okay, so
Yes, sir. Yes,
see,
sir.
it's a language, it's not physics or chemistry. You don't have to take any stress first thing, right? Enjoy the language, right? Enjoy the
Yes, sir.
language, but when you are enjoying, make sure that you are not taking it casually, right? You are paying money, you are putting time, so make sure that you are taking it little bit seriously, right? Seriously in terms of home doing homework. That is what I want, nothing else. Okay, now,
Revising myself than the lectures.
yes, yes. So I'll tell you the ratio, simple ratio you have to follow. See, one lecture is going to be our class. After that, 2.5 hours you have to study at home. Okay, 1 hour is going to
Okay.
be our class. After that, 2.5 hour you have to study at home. Always remember this ratio, 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 2.5. More than 2.5 you
Okay.
don't have to study. Okay,
Okay.
right? And if you are a very quick learner, then you can finish the homework in 2 hours. And if you are an average person like me, I was an average person. Okay, I was not super intelligent, I was an average person, so I took 2 or 2.5
Yes, sir.
hours after the class. So if you are in my category, average mind, then make sure that you are studying 2 or 2.5 hours after the class, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
that's
sir.
the thing. And any day, if you find, I told you, if you're not able to devote time on homework, we can postpone the class. But you should not attend a lecture without doing the homework. Okay, one or
Yes,
two
sir.
times that will work, not a problem. But frequently that thing should not happen, that daily you are not doing homework and you are just running behind the lecture. That thing should not happen. That will not get the skills in you. Okay, you will not get the skills with that approach. Clear? So this is the ratio which you have to follow. That is the only thing. Okay, assignments and all, our course is exactly as per the Gyothe exam curriculum. Okay, you can directly write down the B1 B2 exam after the course. All the modules, reading, writing, listening, speaking, everything will be covering. So no need to buy any book, no need to watch any video. Everything I'll be giving you. Just make sure you are doing my homework, nothing else. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. So now, if you have any question, you can ask me, and then we'll quickly start with our topic. Okay? No?
Okay. No questions, sir.
Okay.
No.
So see, now we'll start the demo. So in demo, what do we do? First of all, we'll be, see, whenever we learn a language, whether it is French, German, Spanish, whatever, we start with its script. We start with its letters. Okay. I might have sent some two, three.
Alphabets.
Yeah, I might have sent, yes, alphabets. I might have sent some 2, 3 videos yesterday on your WhatsApp. You might have watched them. Okay. So that same thing we'll do today.
Not my WhatsApp, I think.
Okay, okay, okay. So
Can
your
you?
father didn't forward? Okay, okay. No problem, no problem. That's the same thing which I am doing today. Okay. That's the
Okay.
same thing which we are doing today. So no worries. Yeah. So see, first of all, we'll be starting with the letters, with the script. Okay. So German,
Okay.
as you know, it uses the same Roman set of letters. Okay. German, as you know, it uses the
Yeah.
same Roman set of letters. Got it? The same ABCD we'll
Yeah.
be using. So I am playing this video. First of all, try to listen to it. That is covering the German ABCD. Okay. So start,
Okay.
listen to that. I'll play it twice.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Yeah, once again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Yeah, once again I'm playing it. Listen to that.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Yeah, once again, last.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay, so now you have to repeat the letters with me. Repeat A, B, C, D,
A, B, C, D,
then A, F, G, A, F,
D,
G.
F, K.
Yeah, A, B, C, D, A, F, G. Repeat again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, K.
A, F, G.
E, F,
E,
G.
it's not E. It's not E. It's A, F, G. Okay.
Okay. A, F, G.
A,
Yeah,
F,
G.
G, G, not G. See, these are German letters, not English letters. Okay. The
Uh,
German ABCD we are doing.
okay.
A, B, C, D, A, F, G. Next, H, I, J, K.
H, I, J, K.
L, M, N, O, P.
L, M, N, O, P.
H, I, J, K. L, M, N, O, P. Then after that, next is
I,
Q, R. Q, R, S, T. Speak.
Q, R,
S, T.
S, T.
U,
Q,
V,
R, S, T.
U, V.
U, V, W.
Good. Speak again. Q, R, S, T. U, V.
Q, R, S, T. U, V.
No. You are speaking English. You have to speak German. Q for coil. Q, R, S, T.
Q, R, S, T.
U, V.
U, V, W.
Listen to me carefully. U, not you.
U is U.
Yes, that's the German name of you. Okay. We have to speak the German ABCD, not the English ABCD. U, V.
U, V, W.
Yes, good. And then X, Epsilon, und Z.
Und Z. Okay.
Yes.
Why only with Z it is?
This is und means and. Okay. X, Y, and Z. So that becomes X, Epsilon, und Z. The word and is called und in German. And is called und. So X, Y is called Epsilon. The name of letter Y is Epsilon. X, Epsilon, und Z.
X, Epsilon, und Z.
Yeah, make it X, not X. Speak X. X, Epsilon, und Z.
Hips.
Epsilon.
Hip, Epsilon, und Z.
Yeah. Try to speak slowly, right? You are trying to rush too fast. Slowly. X, speak X.
X.
Yes, good. Epsilon. Very good. Epsilon.
Z.
Again, I said epsilon only. Epsilon.
Okay. Epsilon.
Epsilon, not epsilon. Epsilon.
Okay. Epsilon
Yes. Und set. Okay.
und Z.
Again Z. Set. Okay.
Set.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. German sound you have to speak. Okay. So go slowly, right? It's a very new subject. Go slowly, one by one. See why we are doing this. This is that we know the English ABCD, ABCD, EFG. Now we have to learn German language. So we are learning the German ABCD. Right? If you learn French, you will learn the French ABCD. If you learn Portuguese, you will learn the Portuguese ABCD. So the letters are same, the script is same, the same Latin script, same ABCD, same 1, 2, 3, 4. But the names of letters are different. In English, we say ABCD, E, F, G, H. In German, they say A, B, C, D, E, F, G. F, G. Okay. So I am playing the video 2 times once again. Try to listen to it. Okay. Try to compare it. Listen to it twice.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Yeah. So now repeat again slowly. A, B, C, D,
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G,
A, F, K,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Again.
A, B, C, D, A,
B, C, D.
K, C,
Yeah. A, B, C, D. Further. A, F, G.
A, F, K, A, B, C, D, A, F, K,
Slowly. H, I, J, K.
H, I, J, K,
Slowly. L,
L,
M.
M, N,
Slow. Try to go slow. You will make mistake otherwise. L, M, N, O, P. Slowly.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Once again.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Very good. Q, R, S, T. Q, R, S, T. Speak.
Q, R, S, T,
U, V, W.
U, V, W.
Very good. Again, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W.
Very good. Then X, Epsilon und Z.
Sir, what is X? Hex.
X,
H.
Epsilon
X.
und Z.
Epsilon und Z.
Z. Very good. Okay. So now listen to it last time and then we'll start with the sounds once more. Okay, listen to it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay, clear now?
Yes, sir.
Right? Yeah. So that's the thing, right? Now we'll be starting with the sound. See, so far what we have done, we have just seen the names of letters. We have just seen the names of letters. These are just the names of letters, and now we'll see their sounds. we will see their sound. If I, let's say if I write your name is Parv, okay, P-A-R-V, but the names of letter is P-A-R-V, but I don't call you as P-A-R-V. Getting my point? Okay, I call you as Parv because when I am speaking any word, I am using the sound. I am not using the name of letters. Okay, so now you have to understand the sounds. You have to understand the sounds. So for that, I am just opening one list of rules here. Okay, check it once. We'll be having some tricks. Okay, some rules are there which will help you to understand the sounds easily. So see here, you can see my screen. This is all file and all I'll give you. No need to write down anything. I'll send you the file. Okay, so you can refer the file later. You can take a printout, whatever you want to do. First of all, I have drawn one table BDGPTK. Okay, BDGPTK. What is the significance of this table? Any word ending in German with B, D or G. Any word ending in German with B, D or G, the sound is per, t and k. The sound is per, t and k. Any word ending in German with B, D and G, the sound is per, t and k. So see the example here. G-I-B, it's ending in B. So tell me, how will I say this?
Jeep.
Geep, geep. Okay, G is G, so geep.
Geep.
Okay, geep, yes. Next, K-I-N-D. D in the end, so T sound. How you will speak this? How you will speak this? Kent, Kent. Good.
Kent.
Yes.
Kinder.
Kent. D in the end, T.
Okay.
Kent.
Okay, Kent.
Yeah. Then next is T-A-G. G in the end is K. So that's Tag.
Talk.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is Tag. Geep, Kent and Tag. So as I told you, German uses the same Roman set of alphabets. Okay. German uses the same Roman set of alphabets from A till Z. We have two parts. First is vowels and second is consonant. So vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Consonants are B, C, D till Z. So first of all, we did a table B, D, G, P, T, K. Okay.
Yes.
So any word ending in B, D and G, the sound is per, t and k. Geep, Kent and Tag. Right. Next is A. A, the first letter, the first vowel. A is having two sounds. Okay. A is having two sounds, A and A.
Okay.
A is having two sounds, A and A. After A, if it is single consonant, okay. After A, if it is single consonant, that will have the A sound. After A, if it is having single consonant, it will have the A sound. Otherwise, it will have A sound. Okay. After A, if it is having single consonant, so this is a trick. So what I mean by consonant, see this B, C, D till Z. These are called as consonants. So you have to count them. You have to count them after A. So see here, ALT. Tell me after A how many consonants?
1, 2.
Okay. After A it is two consonants. Then after A, next example, how many?
1.
One. Okay. Directly only one. Right? Directly only one. Then after A, how many? Directly? T-R-A-G-E-N. How many? Only one.
Only one, yeah.
Yes. So you have to count the direct consonant, right? Don't count the overall. Overall, N is also there, but I am not counting that. I am counting direct consonant. So after A only one, then E is there, so I will stop the counting here. Right? Now the rule is after A, if it is single consonant, it will have the A sound. A. Otherwise, A. Okay? Otherwise, A. So see here, T-R-A-G-E-N and F-R-A-G-E-N. After A only one, that will have the A sound. Fragen and Tragen.
Okay. Fragen and Tragen.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. And first example is Alt. A-L-T. Alt.
Alt.
Yes.
Alt.
Alt. Okay. A-L-T. Alt. Very good. Then next is E. E is having the A sound. E is having the A sound.
A
Okay.
sound.
E is having the A sound. So how we will speak the example? Speak them.
Asan.
SN. A sound. No? E is
SN.
having the A sound. So
Asan.
SN. And second.
Eagle.
Egal. Okay.
Egal.
Egal. Right? The next is egal, because after a one consonant that is having the R sound. So that is
L.
egal.
R sound. Egal.
Good. Next is I is having two sounds, long E and short E. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Long E and short E. Again the same story, you have to do the countings. Okay? Again the same story, you have to do the countings. After I, if it is one consonant, that will have the long E sound, otherwise short E sound.
In example, the first one is 3. So,
In the first example, yeah, so it's second case, na? More than one. Short E.
okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Short E. So ist. Then next is build. Next is
Wieder.
yeah,
Wieder.
ist, wieder and build. After I, if it is one consonant, that is having the long E sound, otherwise short E sound. So ist, wieder and build.
Built.
Ist, wieder and build.
Built.
Yeah? Okay, good. Then after that, the next one which we have is O. O is having two sounds. Again, you have to do the counting. Again, you have to do the counting.
O and A.
O and O. O and O. O for, let's say, Oman. There is a country near you, Oman, right? And O for awesome. Awesome like, let's say, O for awesome. Awesome sound. Okay? Awesome, or you can say like, let's say, gone, right? I have gone to the movie, so O sound. So after O, if it is one consonant, that will be having the O sound. Otherwise, O for awesome.
Yeah.
So speak the first example.
Okay. Order.
Order. Very good.
Order.
Yes, order. Very good. Second. Single S is the, double S is the.
Zol.
Yes.
Zol.
Yes.
Zol.
Yes. Single S is the and double S is that is Zol. Okay. Zol. Single S is the, double S is Zol. Monad. Very good. After O one consonant, after A one consonant, monad. Next.
Cowgirl.
No, corp. I told you na, B in the end is per. Okay. B in the end is per. You remember table BDG BTK. So B in the end is per. That becomes corp.
Corp.
Next is U. U is having the U sound. U is having the U sound. So speak the example. Tone. Next. Mutter. Yeah. Next. Next.
School.
Shoe. Okay. Right. SCH is sir and H in the end is silent. This H rule you will see later today. In the consonant, I'll tell you the rule of H. So SCH is sir and H in the end is silent. So this becomes shoe. Okay. That becomes shoe. Simple. Okay. Now let's do one thing. So you have the rules in front of you. Okay. A, E and I. So go through the rules for 2-3 minutes. Try to read them at least 5-7 times. Try to remember the rules. Okay. And then you will explain me in short the rule as well as the example. Right? So go through it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will explain me A, E and I, and then O and U after that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can you scroll down?
Yes, sure. AEI. Now revise ONU. Okay. After 2 minutes, we'll start. Revise ONU. After O, one consonant is O sound, otherwise O for awesome. Okay. Yeah. Now start from the first one. Okay. Explain me this table in short, and then speak the examples. Okay.
Okay, the vowels one or the vowel?
From the table, from the top, from this BDGP ticket. So in short, and then speak the example directly.
First one we will pronounce B as P. So
Keep.
Gip.
See, after I one consonant, long E, Geep.
Gip, yeah, Gip. D will be pronounced as T. So kind will be kind.
Kint. After I two consonant,
Kint.
short E. After I two consonant, short E, Kint. Okay. Then TAG, tag.
Yeah, G will be K. So tag will be tag.
Yes,
with
yes.
Consonant A.
Yes, good. Then next is A. A is having two sounds, A and A. After A, if it is one consonant, that will have the A sound, otherwise it will have the A sound. So, speak the
Fragen
example.
will be having A sound, Fragen.
Next.
And A will be alt. So it will
Alt.
be alt.
Yeah, alt,
Yeah, alt.
Fragen and Tragen. Okay. Next.
Next is E. It has two sound, A, and so it will be egal.
Egal. SN and egal.
Yeah,
E is
egal.
having the A sound. SN and egal.
SN.
Yeah.
So E has only one sound and one is normal, no?
Yeah, E is having the A sound only. E is not having any counting. Simple A sound. Okay.
Okay.
So SN and egal.
And I has two sound, E and E.
Yeah, I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Okay. So speak the example. Ist, wieder and built.
Ist wieder and built.
Yeah. Okay. Ist, wieder and built. Then after that, next is O. O is having two sounds, O and O. Okay. Yes. So speak the example.
This is order.
Next.
Order. And monad.
Yeah, order and then monad, zol. Similar as the zol.
Monad.
Zol and corp. Okay.
Zol.
Yes. Order, zol, monad and corp. Next is U. U is having the U sound. So speak the example.
It will be tune.
Next.
Shul and
mutter
and
and shu. Yes, correct. SCH is sure, H in the end is silent. Now let's take some consonants. First consonant. Okay, so far it is clear to you what we have done? So far it is clear what we have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. I am going little bit slow, okay, right? Because it's totally new thing for you. So I am going little bit slow, right? If you face any problem, you can ask me. Yeah. Next is B. B in the end is ba. Okay. B in the end of the word is pa. Pa sound. Beginning or middle is B for Bombay. Beginning or middle it's B for Bombay. Only in the end it is pa. So speak the example. Belen. Next. Oben. Next.
Corp.
Corp.
Jeep.
Geep, not Jeep. It's Geep.
Geep.
Okay, Geep. Yeah. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Next is C. C is having the ka sound. So speak the examples.
Hmm. Camping.
Yeah. Okay. Mhm.
Camping.
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 It's an English word actually. It's an English word. You can say camping also.
Okay.
Next is D. D in the end is t. Okay. D in the end is t, and beginning or middle it's D for dog.
Okay.
D in the end is t, and beginning or middle it is D for dog. So speak the example.
Doom.
Doom. Next. Bider. Okay, this EI is a vowel combination. EI is very important. EI is a combination. EI sound is I. Okay. EI sound is I and I is E. EI sound is I and I is E. Yeah. This is bider. Okay. Bider, and E in the end is A. So some rules are there. EI is I and E in the end is A. So bider. Next, Weeder. Yes.
Bat.
Next is Weeder. And next is Bart.
Bant.
Okay. Next is Bart.
Bant.
Yeah. Correct. Okay. And last one is Hunt.
Bant.
Last one is Hunt. Okay. Tell me any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No. Next is F. F is simple for sound. Okay.
First sound. Okay.
Yeah. Always the first sound. Always. Everywhere it will have the first sound. So speak the example.
Foul.
Yeah. Foul. Next.
Shaft.
Okay. Foul, and then next is shaft. Right? Next is shaft. Then next is G. G in the end is K. G in the end is K, and beginning or middle is G for gun.
Okay.
Okay. G in the end is K, and in the beginning is G for gun. Right? Yes. Speak the example.
Guy gun.
Gegen.
Guy gun.
Gegen. Okay.
Giggle.
Gegen. E is a sound, na? Gegen.
Tak.
Next. Tak. Next.
Kulk.
Okay. Next is klug. Gegen, tak, and klug. Gegen, tak, and klug. Correct. Next is H. H in the beginning is her always. Okay. H in the beginning is her sound, and middle or and it is always silent. Okay. Middle or and it is always silent. So speak the example. Halt. Next.
Gayan.
Gayan. In the middle it is silent. Okay. Gayan.
Okay. Gayan.
Next. Zayan. Okay. Halt. Gayan and Zayan. Good. Next is J. J is having the Y for yellow sound. J is having the Y for yellow sound. So speak the example.
Younger.
Very good. See, right now what we are doing, we are just seeing the word sound, right? I am not telling you any meaning. That Junga means boy, halt means stop, Gehen means to go, Zayan means to see. Previous one also you can see Gegen means against, Tag means day, Klug means smart. Okay. Foul is lazy, Shaft is sheep. I am not covering any of the meaning right now. Because for coming 2 sessions, our focus is not the meaning or grammar. Coming 2 sessions is that you should be becoming at least 90% fluent in speaking or reading any German text in front of you. Okay, and
Okay.
you might have observed this is such a language, they are writing something else and they are speaking something else. Okay, so before we start with the grammar, I'll make you practice more than 1000 words with these rules so that you become totally at least 95% correct in reading out anything, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that's why I'm not covering any meaning or grammar or any greeting, nothing right now. First of all, the focus should be within next 2 lectures. You should be perfect in reading down any text in front of you. Okay, whatever is the length of
Yes,
the
sir.
word. So that's why I'm not covering any meaning and grammar and all. Okay.
Okay.
Younger, right? And second thing,
Younger.
see, this is today. It is just a demo lecture. Okay, so no need to worry for anything. Once you start, we'll be starting again from here. We'll be revising again. Okay, in the second lecture which we'll
Okay,
be
sir.
having, we'll be starting again from the top. So just enjoy, right? Just see whether you're able to understand or not. Yeah. Younger,
Yes, sir.
then last one is K L M N P, Ka La Mana Pa, same like English. K L M N P, same
Okay.
like English. So speak the examples.
Okay. Closer. Close.
Closer.
Closer.
Next. Yeah.
Closer.
Hmm. Yeah.
Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken. Next.
Keller.
Keller. Next.
Will.
Will.
Yeah.
Okay.
Out.
Atman. Atman.
Artman.
Hmm. Next.
Shrimp.
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 Next.
Rain.
Lernen. Yeah.
Brown. The an you will be out.
Ow. That is brown. Okay.
Brown.
Next.
Lip.
Lippa.
Ow.
Lippa. Yes. Lippa. Then, okay, all done till here. So now let's revise again from B. Okay, just read the rule quickly and then explain me the example. You can start, read the rule and explain the example. So B in
Should
the
I
end
say?
is per and beginning or middle is B for Bombay. Okay.
Okay. If
Example.
B is in front, then
Everywhere is
it
B
is
for
B.
Bombay. Everywhere is B for Bombay. Only in the end it is per. Only in the end
Okay.
it is per. Okay.
If B is in the end, then it is pronounced as P, but anywhere else it is B only.
Yes.
Example, Berlin and Oben,
Next.
Club,
Oben. Then next is Corp. Okay.
Corp, okay, Jeep,
Geep. Not Jeep. Geep.
okay, Jeep,
Next, she is having the K sound. Speak the example.
Camping.
Camping. It's an English word. You can say camping. Next.
D has, if D is in end, then it is pronounced as T. If it is anywhere else, then it is D only.
Yeah.
So, example, Doom, by Dam,
Doom. Then Bider. Doom. Bider.
and Vidrin,
Bider. Okay.
Vider, Bath, Hunt.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Next.
F will be sound as foo.
Yeah.
So it will be foul.
Yes.
Shaft.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. In Germany, football is Fußball, no?
Football.
I
That is
guess.
beta. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fußball, I think. If G is in the end, then it is K. If it is anywhere else, then it is the only. Example, Gaigan,
Gegen.
Tak,
Yeah.
Gegen, Tak,
Tag. Next.
Clock,
Yeah. Okay.
Clock,
Yes. Tag and Klug. Next is H.
H is silent if it is at the end, and H anywhere else is H only. So halt, Gaigen. So why it is silent in the second example?
That's a rule. That's why it is silent. In the beginning it is her, and middle and it is silent. So halt, gain, and
Okay,
gain.
okay. Okay, only in the front it is not silent, baki anywhere else it is silent. Okay.
Yes. Everywhere it is silent. Okay. Well, except the front.
Halt, Gaigen, Zion.
Yeah. Halt,
Zion.
gain, and zain. Okay.
Yeah. J is Y
Ear
for
sound.
everywhere.
J is ear sound.
Young.
Yunga. Okay.
Yunga.
In the end is a, so that becomes Yunga. Then next is KLM and P. Yeah.
KL are same only, so Klauser.
Next.
Sticken.
Yeah.
Klauser, Sticken. Keller. Will. Outman. Shrimp.
Yeah.
Renan.
Next.
Brown.
Okay. Renan, brown.
Yeah.
Good. Next. Lipper.
Lipper. Yeah.
Okay. Renan, brown, and Lipper. Tell me any doubt till here?
No, sir. Can you send me this PPT to my number?
Yeah. All that I'll send you. Okay. Yeah. Ping me your email ID also. Okay.
Okay, right. I gave, sir.
Yeah. 1 second. Okay, so today what we have done the letters till P, right? So what I am doing is now I am sending you this file. I am sending you here only, right? So you can just download them, because after the call it will get erased from Zoom. That's why. So download them before you cut the call. Okay. Yeah, I sent you on that chat. This file I sent you.
On chat.
Yeah. Where you texted me your email ID, there only. So download the file. See, you can see.
I am on my iPad. I think I won't be able to see.
Okay. Then no problem. I'll send you it on your email. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have taken your email. Just hold on. Let me put your email here. Yes. So I'll send the file to your email. You can check after 5 minutes. Okay. So that's the thing. Now you decide and let me know. Okay. Right. Your father might be waiting for the feedback and all. So just inform him. Whatever is the thing. If you have any query, you can ping me on my WhatsApp number directly if you want to ask anything regarding the course. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Bye. Then see you. Yeah. Bye. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay. Bye. Yeah.